Yeah, nothing like a beautiful day outside. It's so loud but awesome, dude. By the way, did you know I actually love the rain? But it's actually true though, man. Like, you know what? I don't know. I mean, dang it, just stopped me. Here, I'll just show me. But I'll blur out the face. My hair. My arm's wet because I was playing with a t-shirt on. I actually didn't have my socks on, but I have my shoes on right now. Proof they're actually not too wet. Look at that. See, nothing. Yeah, but oh. Yeah, but I actually love the rain. I was gonna say that anyway. Yeah!